5 occasions when Switchwords does not work. One Switchwords does not grant impossible wishes, like I want yellow hair, or I want to fly. Two, nobody can be made to do something against their will. Switchwords can't make someone do something they've decided not to do. Three, if you're chanting or using switchwords unhappily, the law of attraction doesn't work. Four, if you chant or use switchwords in a negative way, like I want to hurt or harm someone. 5, the universe cares more than you do. The universe may not grant your wish because it has better plans for you. Have faith in Switchwords. Internet is flooded with positive results from Switchwords. So there should be no reason it does not works for you.